Hey there, let's briefly walk through how to add social messages to ReQueue groups. When creating a new message, we should always think if this message can go more than once. If it can, especially if it can be published again in 14 or 30 days, add it to a ReQueue group. You can do this by simply selecting this button. And when you add it, you can think about for how long by adjusting the sending limits. If this message is evergreen, this can be scheduled forever, so it will never expire. If it can't, you can choose how many times you want it to expire after. Once you schedule the message, it is added to your ReQueue group on the day of publish. You can also go back to previously published or scheduled social messages and add any message to ReQueue. The main part about having healthier ReQueue automation will be to make sure that you have enough messages added to your ReQueue group. Your social messages will perform better if you continuously add new messages to your ReQueue group. If you are not seeing enough ReQueue messages being added to your calendar, your messages may still be waiting their 14 or 30 days time period after publishing, or you may need to add more social posts to your ReQueue group.